everyone, welcome back to Tasty Curry Heaven. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'd be notified of our delicious recipes every single week. Today we are going to make this delicious tandoori chicken masala. We need a paste of 4 onions, a puree from 6 tomatoes, 3 kgs of chicken legs, a paste of ginger, garlic and chilies that you see on this plate. We have used 15 garlic cloves, 2-inch ginger and 5 green chilies, and we have made a paste out of it. Coriander leaves, 1 cup yogurt or curd, 2 cups of oil, and 1/4 cup of lemon or lime juice, 4 tablespoons chili powder, 4 tablespoons garam masala, 2 tablespoons coriander powder, 2 tablespoons turmeric powder, and 2 tablespoons cumin powder. We will also need 1 tablespoon of black pepper, whole garam masala which has cloves, cinnamon, cardamom and star anise. Here is a quick close-up, salt to taste and bay leaves. We will now start marinating the chicken with 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 2 tablespoons ginger, garlic and green chili paste, 1 cup of yogurt or curd. Now we will mix all of these ingredients together. We have made some slits or gusses into the pieces of chicken legs so that the marinade will get absorbed deep into the chicken pieces and give it a really good flavor. Make sure to push some of the marinade into these slits. We will now refrigerate the marinated chicken for 2 hours and then our chicken is ready to fry. I am going to coat this grill pan with oil. Heat the pan on a medium-high flame and then we are ready to fry our chicken. We will place chicken legs one by one into the grill pan, separated from each other. Add more oil if necessary to the chicken and the grill pan. Once the chicken is grilled a little bit on one side, we will turn the chicken legs in about 4 to 5 minutes and cook it on the other side as well. Remember that we are only frying this chicken about 80% and the rest of the 20% will be fried when we make the masala and cook the chicken along with the masala. That way the chicken will absorb all the delicious flavors from the masala as well. Now we will remove all of the cooked chicken and then get ready to fry our second batch of marinated chicken. And in a similar manner, placing chicken legs separated from each other and frying them on both sides to 80%. Our chicken is now cooked to 80%. We will now get ready to make our masala. Heat the pan on a medium-high flame and pour half a cup of oil into the pan. Add whole garam masala into the oil. Add bay leaves. Then add a paste of ginger, garlic, and chili that we made by grinding together ginger, garlic, and chili. Mix all of these flavors really well with the oil. Frying in the oil helps get rid of all of the raw flavors. Then add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. This will give a really nice color to the masala. Now add ground onion paste and mix all of the ingredients really well. Now add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Mix all of these masalas together really well and fry this until the oil separates. If you prefer a more spicy flavor of tandoori chicken masala, you can add 1 more tablespoon of chili powder and then mix everything together. We will now add the remaining oil to the masala and stir it really well. Then add the remaining salt into this mixture and give it a good stir. Oil is starting to separate and our masala is now well fried. At this point, we will add the tomato puree from 6 tomatoes and give it a really good mix. Then add rest of the marinade gravy that was left with the chicken into this masala. That way we are not wasting the marinade. Cover the lid and cook until the oil separates from this masala. Stir the masala periodically and check if the masala has started to separate from the oil. Our masala is now ready. We are going to add the cooked chicken into this masala. Then add 2 tablespoons of garam masala and now mix the chicken and the masala along with the garam masala so that all of the flavors blend together with the chicken. Then add a little water to this masala and mix all of the flavors together. Now we will add coriander leaves. Then stir everything together. Now cover the lid and cook for 15 to 20 minutes on a medium flame. It has been 15 minutes and our chicken has been nicely cooked. It looks absolutely delicious and it smells really delicious. I can't wait to eat my tandoori chicken masala with some garlic naan. I hope you all enjoyed this delicious recipe. We will soon be doing a fabulous giveaway for our subscribers, so stay tuned for that. I will see you again in the next recipe. Now have a wonderful day and until next time, get spiced and thrive.